Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make mint margarita restaurant style step by step. Start by gathering fresh mint, limes, tequila, orange liqueur, simple syrup, ice, a shaker, and a strainer. Prepare glass rims with salt and lime, and chill glasses while you muddle mint lightly to release oils. Keep flavors balanced by tasting 1:1, 5:0, 5 ratios and adjusting sweetness before serving. Gather fresh ingredients and measure precisely for consistent results. Use 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz lime juice, 0. 75 Oz orange liqueur, 0. 5 Oz simple syrup, and 8-10 fresh mint leaves. Choose good quality Blanco tequila for clarity and bright agave flavor that complements mint. Always freshly squeeze limes for the best acidity and aroma, and keep ice cold so the drink stays crisp without diluting too quickly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and I love it for freeing up resources to buy quality ingredients or tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Muddle mint gently with a little simple syrup and lime in the shaker to wake the herbs without shredding leaves. Add tequila, orange liqueur, lime juice, and ice, then shake vigorously for about 12-15 seconds until the shaker feels cold. Double strain into a salt-trimmed glass over fresh ice to remove bits of mint, and garnish with a mint sprig and a thin lime wheel for a restaurant finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.